Okay, first of all, we can prepare about the rectangle in here. The rectangle is around 5 and 5 meter in here. Then anyway, I will change about the dimension units. I use millimeter and neutralize the dimension display precision in here. Okay, then for the area, I set the meters and volume. Just set the meter cubic. Okay, and then we can just select the line in here and click from the middle until to the middle in here. Okay, we can search the middle and the middle on edge in here. Okay, and then now we can select the eraser tool and erase the corner. Then erase this another line and triple click and offset it inside. Okay, or offset it outside anyway, 150 millimeter. Then we can close for every single line in here and push it up around 3.5 meter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and also make group. Okay, now we can prepare about the type master tool, type 600 millimeter and type 600 millimeter in here. Okay, then again we can click the type master tool and also place it to position and also place it to position in here and also that one. Okay, and then we can select the type master tool again and drag to the another side. That's around 1 meter. I'm sorry, that's around 800 millimeter in here and also 800 millimeter in here, and drag to the another side around 2.2 meter in here and 2.2 meter in here and also in here to this position, and this one 800 millimeter and also 800 millimeter in here, and that one and this one. Okay, 800 millimeter. Okay, so then we have the three side in here, and I will show you about the dimension here. That's 2.2 and that one 1.6 meter. Okay, and I will erase. Okay, then now we can select the rectangle in here and push it until to the limit in here. Okay, and also the another surfaces over there and push it until to the limit, and also that one and push it until to the limit in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the rectangle. Click from the corner to corner and offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Erase the surfaces, then click the surface and push it to the behind 120. Triple click and also make group. Okay, then we can make the rectangle in here. We can make the rectangle and can triple click and make group. Okay, then now we can select move. Okay, and then now we can select move, tap control and place. Okay, and then we can move to the position in here and select move, tap control, and okay, but we have to make the rectangle first in here. Okay, but I think it would be nice if we make the rectangle, we make the complete window in here in the one side before we copy it. Okay, we can click the surface, offset it inside around 60 millimeter, or we can offset it again with a large frame with 80 and push it to the behind 40 millimeter in here, or 50 millimeter in here. Okay, and triple click and make group. Okay, so then now we can make a rectangle in here. We can make a rectangle on the position and push it up around 20, and right click and also make component and just create. Then we can select move, type control and also place to the position. Then we can type / and enter, or maybe we can add more then we can move tab control, move it up, type 5/n, enter in here, and click, and we can rotate that one 90 degree in here. Right click, make unique. Okay, then now we can select move, and also place to the another position, to the appropriate position. Anyway, we have to place to the appropriate position. Okay, and we can push it up until to the position here. Okay, and also this one. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary object over there. Then, and after that, we can also make the rectangle. Okay, we can make the rectangle in here until that position, but we have to make sure that this is on the appropriate place. So we have to move on the middle in here, and then we can change with the glass materials in here, or okay, I think that's correct. Okay, then now we can select a move, select make group, I mean, then we can select move and duplicate, and then now we can move and place to the position in here, and then we can right click and make group. Okay, and make group, and also make component in here, create, and we can select move, tab control, and place to the position. Then we can make that one. Okay, then we can make the rotate in here, just like this, and then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there. We can erase some unnecessary line or guideline over there. Now we can make the line in here, and make the another line in here. Triple click and offset it inside around 600 millimeter in here, and we can make the close line for every single end of the line in here, and then we can push it up around 550 millimeter. Then we can triple click and also make group. Then we can triple click and click the surface and offset it inside around 30 millimeter in here, and click and offset it inside 30 millimeter. Click and offset it inside millimeter. Then we can click and push it to the behind around 550 again, 550 and 550 in here. Okay, and then now we can maybe we can make the compartment. We can make the another compartment in here. We can make the rectangle in here and push it to the another position. Then we can select move, tab control. We can select move, tab control. Then we can move tab control and place the another position. Then we can type /n, enter in here, so it will be divided compartment automatically in here. Then now we can make the rectangle on the another surfaces in here, and triple click, right click and make component, create. Then you can select move, tab control. Okay, and then place, then type /n, enter in here. Then we can erase the another unnecessary object over there, and we can make again, and in place, triple click, right click and make component, and then just create. And then we can select move, tab control, and place the position. Then we can type /n, enter in here, and it will be divided automatically in here. Then don't forget to make the door in here, the little door. We can type 20 millimeter in here, and offset it inside around 70, and again around 20. Okay, around 20 millimeter in here. Push it to the behind a little bit, and triple click, right click and make component, and just create. And we can select move, place, and move, tab control. Okay, and move tab control on the position in here. Then we can select move, tab control again, place, and then we can rotate. Okay, and then we can make unique. Okay, then we can just select this area only. Okay, then we can select move, place, then we can click and select move, tab control, and place to the position in here. Okay, then we can select move, tab control, and okay, we can move and place on the appropriate place over there. Okay, just like this. And then Okay, this is the step. This is the step to make the bay window in here. So we can decorate. Okay, we can decorate on the wall in here with a line in here. Okay, we can decorate that one and decorate this one. Okay, with a line in here by following the appropriate axis. Anyway, then we can offset it inside around 150, and this one, I'm sorry, we can offset it to that position. Okay, we can push it to the behind 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter. Okay, and that one, and then we can double click, offset it inside around 150. Just like this. Okay, and now we can sign with the color. We can select the random color first, then now we can sign about the appropriate color system in here. Okay, so I think this is the room, the classic door, the classic window, the classic bay window in here. Then okay, I know we can also explore more about the another room. Maybe we can explore more about the another room. Okay, we can make the rectangle in here, and we can select all. We can select all this area. Okay, now we can scale. We can scale that one. Okay, and we can make group. Okay, now we can set up about the perimeter. About the perimeter, we can make the another random area in here on this way in here. Okay, so we can maybe set up about this line, and about this line we need to make the line in here. We need to make the another perimeter line in here. Okay, and then now we can set up about the landscaping in here and also in that way, and then okay, now we can continue to make the another floor, not the another flooring system. We can push it to the behind to the down in here. Then we can select the color, or maybe I've an idea to set up about the flooring system in here. Okay, and the another another element of the floor, and also landscape. Okay, just like this, and just like this one. Okay, then now we can select the perimeter line in here and in here. Okay, we can triple click and offset it inside 150 millimeter, and close for every single line in here, and push it up, triple click, and also make group. Then we can assign about the materials in here, and then okay, maybe we can make the openings. We can make the openings. We can assumption that this is a large opening in here. Okay, and okay, that was a large opening. And the another opening. Okay, and the another opening are on here. Okay, and we can also set up again about the another opening is in here. Okay, I think we can make the line in here and offset it inside around 60 millimeter in here, and place to the position and push it to the behind 120 millimeter. Triple click, make group, and okay, we can make the line. Right click and divide until 1.2 meter in here. Okay, we can make a rectangle and offset it inside around 80 millimeter. Enter. Okay, or offset it is inside again 100 millimeter. Okay, then we can push it to the behind around 50 millimeter. Click and also make group. Okay, then we can make the another rectangle. We can make the another rectangle in here to make a glazing materials in here. Okay, and we can make the another frame and push it up 20 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make component, create, select move, type control and place, type 5/n enter in here. Then okay, we can rotate 90 degree and right click and make a unique again in here and select move on this another position. Okay, then you can place on that position in here and right click and make component and create. You can select move, type control, place, type X9 and enter in here. Okay, so we can erase some unnecessary object over there. Okay, I think that's all. So you can improve about the another elements like a door, window, and another element like a garden. And anyway there is a garden in here and on the landscaping in here. Okay, so you can explore more about this. And okay, I think that's all. Okay, and I will put the component with the another component like this. Okay, and okay, now we can set up about the shadow. We can set up about the shadow in here. Okay, just like this one. Okay, or we can set up about the coloring again in here. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you very much.